Yeah. No days off. No days off, no excuses, pain talk. I speak fluent, they rest, I keep moving. Same goal, new bruises, no days off, no sleep. Mind sharp, routine deep. You wish I repeat. Every rep build belief. Alarm ring, I'm already up. Same ground when it's hard as fuck. No crowd, no camera, just iron and trust. I don't need cheers, I need results. I don't count likes, I count reps and faults. When it burn, I stay. When it hurt, I grow. Every drop on the floor, this payment out. Oh, weak mind, tap out early. Strong mind, push through quiet. I don't chase motivation, I rely on habit. No days off, no excuses, pain talk. I speak fluent, they rest. I keep moving, same goal, new bruises. No days off, no sick. Mind sharp, routine deep. You wish I repeat. Every rep build belief. I train when I'm tired, I train when I doubt. I train when my head say maybe not now. Comfort kill potential, so I stay uncomfortable. Every time I want easy, I choose what's impossible. They want fast results, I want permanent change. I don't sprint to the top, I drag weight through the rain. No shortcuts, no breaks, no mercy on self. I don't look for bags, I build strength and health. No days off, lock in, no luck, all discipline. If it hurt, that's good, that mean you still in. No days off, no pause, same fine, same laws. You wait for the moment, I work while you stall. Hold up, lock in. One more rep, one more rep, one more rep. No days off, no quit, every loss still fit into plans I wrote when I was this shit. No days off, staying firm, every scar got worth. They ask, I whack change, I reply, I work, yeah. No days off. No days off.